So, this morning I'm cleaning my bathroom, my bloody bathroom. See, it's got blood all over the place. Um, so I went through that because I never use this bathroom except for putting blood everywhere. And I found, look at this. First I'm gonna show you this. This is pretty cool. So you hang your panties on it. It's like a, boop, boop, boop. It's like an octopus. You put your panties on it. So I'm gonna keep that. Then I found this classic. This is about 16, 17 years old. It was sitting on this door because this wasn't my bathroom. And then I found this. Look, I took it out of the wrapper. It wasn't just laying around. But so what do you do with this thing? Do you put? Okay, so you tell me what this is, and you tell me who that is, and what that is. Anyways.